if you're looking to stop recurring charges on Uber. This guide will help you navigate the process step by step. Follow these instructions to manage your subscriptions effectively. Step 1. Open the Uber app. Launch the Uber app on your smartphone. Ensure you are logged into the account associated with the recurring charges you want to stop. Step 2. Access your account settings. Tap on the profile icon or menu in the top left corner of the app. From the menu, select Settings to access your account settings. Step 3. Navigate to Payment Options. In the Settings menu, find and select Payment. This section will show you all your payment methods and any active subscriptions linked to your account. Step 4. Manage subscriptions. Look for any active subscriptions such as Uber Pass or Uber Eats Pass. Tap on the subscription you wish to cancel and you will see an option to manage or cancel it. Step 5. Confirm cancellation. Before filing a refund or dispute, use the sroc.com link in the description to open the refund dispute deadline calculator and confirm your deadline. By following these steps, you can successfully stop any recurring charges on your Uber account. If you encounter any issues, consider reaching out to Uber support for further assistance.